A question that keeps coming up about 3D printing is, can you 3D print things that are safe to use with food? A lot of people will tell you, no, that's just not possible given the nature of 3D printing. Unless, of course, you spray on a special food-safe coating, which, frankly, you could do to anything and call it food-safe. But for me, that's not really the answer I'm looking for. After doing a lot of research and a lot of testing, I've discovered a way to make 3D printed parts that are truly food-safe. To make 3D printed parts that are food-safe, there are 3 major obstacles to overcome: the nozzle, the plastic, and the layer lines. The method I've created addresses all 3 of these issues. The nozzle is an issue because it wears out, and that worn metal goes into the plastic you're printing. So if you're using a regular brass nozzle, which often has small amounts of lead in it, that lead is going into the plastic and then into your mouth, and that's bad. Fortunately, this is an easy thing to fix because you can buy food-safe stainless steel nozzles, such as the E3D V6 stainless steel nozzle. The next obstacle is the plastic. The plastic you print needs to be food-safe and not leach any harmful chemicals into your food or into your body. But it's not enough that the plastic itself is food-safe, it also has to be manufactured on machines that are food-safe. If the plastic is extruded into filament using a die which is not food-safe, then the plastic becomes not food-safe, just like when you print it with a brass nozzle. Now, you can find 3D printer filament that is certified food-safe in both the material and the extrusion process. But there's one more obstacle we need to overcome before making our selection: the layer lines. The layer lines are the final obstacle because dirt and bacteria can get wedged in those layer lines where it's impossible to clean out. Ideally, we would sand and then vapor smooth our parts to blend the layer lines together and fill in any crevices, just like you can do with ABS in a vapor bath of acetone. So the question is, can we find a plastic which can be vapor smoothed and which is certified food safe from the manufacturer? The answer is yes. High impact polystyrene, or HIPS. HIPS is a plastic which is chemically food safe, which you can buy certified food safe from a company called Fillamentum, and it can be vapor smoothed, either with acetone or with the much safer chemical limonene. Limonene is an oily derivative of orange peel, and it's apparently used in small quantities to add flavor to certain drinks, so it's noticeably safer to work with than acetone. I also prefer limonene because you can spray it directly onto your part and get a nice smooth finish, without disintegrating the plastic the way acetone does if you try to spray it on. And that's it. That's all it takes to make 3D printed parts that are truly food safe. All you need to do is print with a stainless steel nozzle, using HIPS plastic from Fillamentum, and then sand and vapor smooth your parts with limonene. No special coatings, no overly harsh chemicals. Cheers.